Now it's time to make it more precise, and then we will have some base mesh for making more realistic head and neck. So now I'm gonna spend some time on just, you know, finishing and making more accurate the lines. Then as soon as it will be more like this, so I'm not going to make it like precise copy of this. Well, it's gonna be very similar, but I'm not going to make these planes super accurate, because we're gonna use this planar head only as a base mesh, so we don't need it perfect. And then we're gonna work on the next level, more realistic pectoralis major muscle. More about torso muscles will be in a video about the torso sculpting and torso anatomy. So then I'm going to talk more about these things. But now just there's a little part of the torso just to show the connections. The head connection to the neck and neck connection to the torso. That's pretty much it we need now. Later we'll go more in details for torso sculpting. Okay, now we have some base mesh. Basically, kind of shapes are out there. We have like the general shape of the head in the place. We have like correct place for the mouth, for the ear. So this guy is kind of looking like the guy that I'm using as a reference, which is also my sculpt. So now I think it's good moment to start sculpting like the elements of the head and start to kind of like carving out like the actual shapes of the face, because now it is more like a very rough stylization. And I think the main idea was to sculpt more realistic head. So this is the next level of blockout. So it's nearly realistic. Basically it is not, of course, but if we will be successful with this guy, which is possible to carve it out of the guy that we sculpted already. So let us bring it here. So this is the base mesh that we will be using, that we just made, and this is going to be the result we are aiming to. And then we will done with this second level blockout. Then we're gonna make it more realistic. Also, we're gonna add some hairs, sculpted hairs. They're not going to be realistic hairs, as like every tiny, you know, like hair will be there, but I'm going to sculpt only the main shapes of the hair, and we'll make like a sculpted hair. So we have base mesh, and now it's time to sculpt this guy.